Well, it seems we are at the extreme end of our conference. Before we proceed further, there are two things to notify. First of all, the certificate that will be distributed at 5 o'clock, the resource persons and the presenters, your certificates will be available in counter number 4, and others, we have to collect it from counters number 1, 2 and 3. It will be in alphabetical order, so you don't have to worry about the serials or anything. Now, coming to our concluding ceremony, we will have honorable dignitaries on the stage, Dr. Bimal Chandra Chattopadhyay, the President of Bengal Library Association, Swami Sastagyananda, Principal of Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandira, Professor K.B. Mojumdar, General Secretary, Bengal Library Association, Sri Arup Raichaudhuri, Deputy Librarian, ISI, Kolkata and Conference Director, Dr. Joydeep Chando, Librarian, Gurudas College, Kolkata, and Organizing Secretary of this conference itself. Mr. Krishanade, Librarian of Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandira, Mirudmont, and Joint Organizing Secretary of INDCOVA 2019. I request all the honorable dignitaries to please come up on stage. Well, let me repeat what we had said at the beginning of this conference. It was jointly organized by Bengal Library Association and Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandira. So, we'll have first with us Professor K.B. Mojumdar, General Secretary of Bengal Library Association, to present us with his views. Sir, please.
Respected our Shastraganandaji Maharaj, the principal of Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandir, respected Dr. Bimal Chattopadhyay, President Bengal Library Association, Dr. Arup Raichaudhuri, Sri Krishanade, Dr. Joydeep Chandra, and the participant guests, dignitaries who are present here. So we are here first 2 days. Yesterday and today we present. We have participated in this conference. So many student experts, they participated. We have heard their views about implementation of Koha, use of Koha in different libraries and different schools, library sciences school, even in libraries of Bangladesh. And one proposal already discussed by Arup Raichaudhuri, that the friends who have come from Bangladesh, they expressed their views about workshop of Koha. So perhaps we can think about it, but Raichaudhuri said correctly, how it can be solved. So it is a successful international conference. Many of our friends have come from Bangladesh. Two of our colleagues come from Japan or Sri Lanka. And some of our friends come from other parts of Bengal other than West Bengal. So we cordially invite them to come to the next year also. Now at the last session, I convey hearty thanks to our respected principal sir. Actually under his leadership, not our leadership, we have successfully completed today this conference. So, sir, we pay respect to him, to you, and your team, sir. We could heartily thank to Krishanude, the librarian of this institute. Really, he helped us very much. And also Shumanto, he also helped us, and many other staff, teachers, and many of our students, they helped us very much to success this conference. I heartily thanks to our Arup Raichaudhuri, this conference director. He is our executive member also of Bengal Library Association, and is always related to different activities, not only this but other activities of the Bengal Library Association. I convey my hearty thanks to him. I convey hearty thanks to Dr. Joydeep Chandra. He is the one of the rising leaders of our library profession. We are the not oldest but old, but they are the future. So we think under their leadership, the association will run in future, and also it will be a really remarkable association like other active associations, not only in our state, not only in India, in other places of our subcontinents. So again, I convey my thanks to all the participants who has come here. নমস্কার, আপনারা ভালো থাকুন, আবার আসবেন, আমরা আবার আপনাদের আমন্ত্রণ জানাবো।
We now call upon Swami Shastrakyanandaji Maharaj, Principal Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandira, Belmont, to deliver his vote of thanks.
Namaskar. At the end of today's conference, we are here assembled today. Whether we are on the verge of disperse today, and I think that all of us who have taken part in this international conference have been able to carry with us some new dimensions of our learning, with some inspiration to innovate in the subject. I would like to congratulate the entire team of Bengal Library Association who have come forward and requested us to collaborate in this seminar. Dr. K.P. Mojumdar is there, Bimal Babu, like Professor Raichaudhuri, and I will tell another name at the end, and other the top members or the Karyakartas of Bengal Library Association. So really, on behalf of Vidya Mandira, and also on behalf of all participants, I feel I should congratulate them. I also want to thank all the participants, the resource persons, the invited guests, and other listeners, people in the audience who have come over here to deliberate upon the issues on the topic of your choice, on the theme of your liking. And I think you have been benefited. So really, I feel elated to see such benefited ones at the end of one conference. Generally, we have seen the conferences, many places, where kids and food packets play the major role. But here, I think, instead of the physical food, the mental food played furthermore important role. So really, this is a real boon to you and to us also. I don't want to thank my librarian or my library staff or my students or my office staff, because they know they are here to do all these things. In our college, such seminars are very common. So common that people know what to do and what not to do at the same time, both the things. The teachers, students, everyone. Just within a gap of one day, another 2 days seminar will be there. Again, within a gap, another 1 day seminar will be there. And thus it goes on almost up to the end of March. So they are very much ready. But only one thing I feel myself very joyous to see, that although it's not a teaching department in the college, library, under the able leadership of our young librarian, smiling with smiling face and with a fragile health, he is always trying to lead the entire system in our college. I'm really proud of this department, library department. Also, it's not a teaching department. Within couple of years, they have been able to organize 2 such seminars. This is really, I don't praise them, but they increase my expectation from them. And I think they will be able to keep it with them. At the end, I want to mention the name of another person. I know he is from Bengal Library Association. And I know all of you know him, and he is Dr. Joydeep Chandu. If I pronounce the name right, yes. Joydeep who is at my behind. From the day one, he is the person who is tolerating all my anger, all my grievance, all my inquiries, questions, once and again, with endless numbers and with smiling face. He wanted something on behalf of association or this conference. I don't know. And the people who work with me, they know how difficult it is always to work with me. But he didn't know that. Now I think he has come to know it. And I think he will not repeat the same mistake. Anyhow, I have seen his enthusiasm. And I have seen his capability. It's really worth mentioning. It really gives me a lot of encouragement, and really I pay my heartfelt respect to Dr. Chandan, and I feel that if such a love, if such a dedication, if such a sincerity is available with us in our knowledge domain, in our work field, any place will become a real place for success. And I think he will achieve more success in his life without any crowning feather. I really respect him. I offer my respectful namaskar to Dr. Chandu specially. At the end, I am not a person of library and information science. But one thing, I am very much interested with this subject. Rather, I am very much interested with the application. From my student time, I am very much fond of going to libraries and working with them, although I don't know the science. Just on 20th February, I had a meeting at Delhi with NAC and UGC people. You know, NAC and UGC, they are now contemplating of different changes in assessing, in determining the qualities of institution, college, universities, institutes. And when we were in the discussion with different, with other people, there was a question that how a library or a higher education institute, be a college or a university or a research institute, should be assessed in the present day scenario. And actually there were questions regarding the archival approach of library system. The library, whether library should also play a role of archive, and whether library should enhance his role in having the databases, different types of databases, research databases and other. So there was a debate, there were discussions. I know there were one or two persons related with this particular science. That time I thought that perhaps we can think of our Bengal Library Association, it comes forward and think of creating a digital database of our regional languages, regional literature, tribal language, tribal literature, folk languages and folk literature in different parts of the countries. When they are working with the software, I don't know whether it is possible with Koha or not, but what I feel that if this library and information science creates such a platform, such a domain where these regional literature and its other documents can be preserved, and we can see it on the digital platform, it will be easy for us to go for research in these particular subjects. When we today search for a science article, we get it on Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, ResearchGate, and so many innumerable databases because they are available in English. But when we try to study on the regional vernaculars, really we don't get such things. I know National Digital Library is there. I know there are some platforms working, but still the number is less and I think the work is much insufficient. With me in our college, I have almost 3,000 now old Bengali language literature journals. We are trying to digitize it. I think there are so many with many other institutes, and these play a great role in vernacular literature, vernacular research on vernacular literature. So if our Bengali Library Association takes a step to create such databases, through which we, even through paid databases, if we are able to see it, I think that will be a real innovative work, and that will make us stand in the same international platform where Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, all these things are ICI, they are working. I don't know whether it is possible or not. If it is possible, if it can be done, I think that will be a an excellent contribution of this association. I pray to Ramakrishna, Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother and Swami Vivekananda, that all of you who are trying to just introspect or retrospect and discuss on different aspects of library and information science in this changing world of knowledge, in this changing world of our wisdom digitization. I pray to Holy Trial that let your effort be more successful and you add to the glory of wisdom in the posterior days. Once again, I thank you all, and I thank specially to Bengali Library Association, its entire team, Bimal Babu, Mr. Mojumdar, Dr. Rai Chaudhuri, and once again to Dr. Joydeep Chandra to give us this opportunity to collaborate with you. With this collaboration, Vidya Mandira feels itself very much proud collaborating you in this seminar and having the august presence of so many delegates from different countries, from different states. It's really our fortune. Thank you.
With that, well, the conference, it seems, have been success for not anyone, but for us all. The sun even shines at dusk. So here we conclude today. Thank you.